Good morning, guys. So, where are we? So, we are here in Turkey for a holiday for 7 days. Sorry, I could not give you introduction yesterday because yesterday it was a very busy day. We were traveling and everything was in a hurry. So, this holiday we planned at the last moment. So, that's why we could not give a proper introduction before we started. So this is day two. Yesterday we came here to Turkey late night. I'll just give a look around how it's looking in our resort. It is very nice, and you got a swimming pool. Akira is very excited. She's already in her swimming dress, and we are ready to go. So just have a look around. So as you guys know, we are very fond of traveling. So we thought to have this holiday during half term, and that's why we are here. We wanted to explore new place. So this time it's Turkey. So please stay tuned and watch the entire video. There will be few videos of Turkey coming soon. Thank you.
Hello guys, hope you all are doing very well. So the first introduction video that we took in Turkey was after the breakfast, and here is the first clip where we are going for breakfast in the morning. It's a early breakfast. It starts at 7 o'clock and it is a bit chilly at that point. So here we are going for a breakfast. The breakfast got a number of selection, different types of bread, salads, chips, some stir fried vegetables, baked beans. There's choice for everyone, and also dessert. So we really enjoyed the breakfast. The breakfast also got some fresh cream and honey, and there were so many other choice like croissant, pastries, and cakes. So after having a stomach full of heavy breakfast, we decided to go to swimming pool. So we changed to swimming clothes and was about to go to the swimming pool. That's when we noticed the snack bar, which is open between breakfast and lunchtime, and in between lunch and dinner time. So the full day you get the snacks and drinks. Next, we enjoyed some time in pool, where I decided to take some rest after the traveling, and kids were in the pool. It was very hot in the daytime.
Okay, right, are you ready? Yeah? Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's rock!
And after enjoying some time in the pool, then started the lunch time, which is at 12. Again, the lunch got a lot of options. There is options for vegetarians, and both for vegetarians and non-vegetarians. That was the best part. They got a lot of stir-fry vegetables, which were tasting similar like how we make in India. The food was really good. We never felt bored all the 7 days. They had lot of options, lot of fresh vegetables option, salads, a lot of cooked and freshly grilled meat. So there was options for all of us and best suited to our taste. After enjoying our lunch, we decided to go back to pool again, but this time exploring the indoor pool and the steam and spa. So I went for steam and spa while kids were enjoying in the indoor pool. There is a lot of activity planned here for kids and even for adults. As you have already noticed, they have some games planned in the morning for kids, and there's childcare facility, and there is also evening entertainment planned for kids and adults. So there was a lot to do in the resort itself. So this day, the first day, we choose to remain in the hotel, reason being we were very tired and wanted to explore as well. So after enjoying some time in indoor pool, steam and spa, we went back to our room, got freshened up and got ready for the dinner and the evening entertainment. The dinner got more variety than the lunch and the breakfast, and they have lots of live grill section which we really enjoyed. Lots of option. Again, I would say the food was really good. We enjoyed the meal, all four of us. My kids were always looking for option. They also had a kids buffet separately in the dinner time. At the end, after having a dinner, Akira went to children's club and had her face painting. We could not take clip of it because it was not allowed over there. So that's how we spent our day 2 in Turkey. It was nice, relaxing with lot of food and swimming time. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do not forget to like, subscribe, share and comment, and we'll meet you soon with another exciting Turkey video. Thank you all. Bye. Take care.